Hey guys, it's Mrs. Mann. Okay, I know you're probably tired of this concept. So let's figure out exactly what's going on so that moving forward, you're going to get a 4 on this next week, okay? All right, so for part A, we are going to deal with the coefficients first. All right, these are just regular old whole numbers. They have nothing to do with the exponents. Okay, that's really important to realize. This -6 of the exponent here, that goes with the a. It has nothing to do with this -4. So if you're looking at your work and you realize that you tried to put -4 on the bottom, that's not right. Okay, this -4 is just plain old -4. This is plain old 2, this is plain old 5. So we just multiply those together. -4 times 2 is -8, and -8 times 5 is -40. So that should be the whole number. Okay? Now we deal with our variables. So we have a to the -6, we have a to the -4th, and we have a to the 10th. Couple different ways you can do this. I think the easiest way is just to realize that whenever you're multiplying, you are adding these exponents together. Well, we have -6 plus -4, which is -10, and then we add to that a +10, so we get a to the 0 power. Well, anything to the 0 power is 1, and we don't really even need to write that. So the answer there would be -40. You could have also said, okay, well, the a to the -6 is going to go down here at the bottom. The a to the -4th is also going to go down here to the bottom. And of course, once you move those, they become positive. They're happy because you've moved them, you know. And then the a to the 10th is happy where he is, so he's on the top. And then you can say, well, a to the 6th times a to the 4th is a to the 10th, which actually matches what we have on the top, and they cancel out. Either way, you're going to see that the a's are gone now. And this of -40, that is your final answer. So you choose your method, but the answer should have been -40. Okay, the code word in this video is my daughter's bird's name. We named him Ringo because he liked to play in rings on his cage. So Ringo is the word that you'll need to write down here. Okay, chances are if you missed one problem only, you missed B. So let's kind of write this out and see what's going on. So I'm going to essentially distribute with my rainbow rule this exponent of -3 to everything that's inside the parentheses. Okay, so this becomes -3 to the -3rd power. Okay, this becomes d, and now what do we do with these exponents? We multiply the exponents. So 6 times -3 is -18, and e to the -5th raised to the -3rd, we multiply those and we get a +15. Okay, so out of these three things here, one is happy. Who's happy? The e is happy because he's got a positive exponent. So e is going to come up here to the top. Everything that has a negative exponent is going to want to move. We need to move it to the bottom. So the d to the 18th on the bottom looks like that. No problem there. This becomes -3 to the 3rd power, because once we move it, it's now happy. So the only thing we need to do now at this point is actually figure out what this is. -3 to the 3rd power is -3 times -3 times -3. Well, -3 times -3 is a +9, and +9 times -3 is a -27. Everything else is already done for us. So this should have been your answer right here. Hope that helps.